हैप्पी दिवाली गाइस। पहले सभी लोग कमेंट्स में हैप्पी दिवाली विश करो, अभी के अभी गो विश। इन द मीन टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट प्रेपिंग माई ब्रेकफास्ट। ये देखो, ये है मेरा दिवाली गिफ्ट टू माई सेल्फ। कैन यू गाइज गेस व्हाट इट इज? दिस इज 4 kg प्रोटीन डब्बा। डब्बा भी नहीं भाई, बकेट है ये। दिस इज माई दिवाली गिफ्ट टू माई सेल्फ. I am going to use this to make my breakfast. We have some oats here, guys. We have some oats. Oops. Oats, fruits, and some curd in that. And I need to mix in my protein powder. खुद के पैसों से मंगाया है दिवाली गिफ्ट के लिए. फर्स्ट टाइम मैं 4 kg बकेट मंगा रहा हूँ. आज पता नहीं बाकी प्रोटीन कब मिलेगा, तो अब भी डाल लेते हैं जितना हो सकता है. And we shall mix this and eat it comfortably on the bed. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking breakfast करके जिम जाएंगे. अपर बॉडी गंदा कर दिया यार, प्रोटीन लग गया तकिए पे. गया, अब तो मैं गया. हाँ, सो आई वाज सेइंग ब्रेकफास्ट ख़त्म करके जिम जाएंगे, अपर बॉडी करेंगे. बिकॉज यार पंप के साथ कुर्ता पहनना है मेरे को, ठीक है. एंड लुक एट दिस, फ्री फीट फॉर यू गाइस. पंप के साथ कुर्ता पहनूंगा, आई विल लुक सो गुड. द बिग मैन बोल स्लैप्स. First, I'm going to Kanti Sweets to go buy moong dal halwa. 1 kg halwa लेना है. I hope they have it in stock because today everything is running out fast. I know that these guys are prepared for such demand, but you never know, man. You never know. We have reached Kanti Sweets. तेरे दो मूंग दाल हलवा आइता? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಖಾಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ in stock ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ? Guys, no halwa, guys. Oh my god, I am so tempted to get one bite of something right now. Guys, should we just get a chum chum? Chum chum on single piece kodi sir. One piece. Single piece. Single piece chum chum bobbies. Diwali hai, calories don't count. That is insanely good. Oh my god. This is banging good, man. But fuck, what do I do for halwa? Where do I go for moong dal halwa now? Somehow मैंने मूंग दाल हलवा अरेंज कर लिया है. I ordered this from ITC. Guess the cost of this, guys. 200 grams, 400 rupees. ठीक है, that's like 2000 rupee kg. Insanely expensive. But yeah, then again, ITC is not a sweet shop, right? They are probably serving this just as a dessert option. Let's see how it tastes though. ठीक है, मैंने घर वालों के लिए एक और पैकेज मंगाया है, अपने लिए एक और मंगाया है. This is 200 grams for me alone. दिवाली है बॉयज़, द कैलोरीज डोंट काउंट. नीचे मत गिर जाना भाई, नीचे गिर गया तो ख़त्म है. ओके ओके, लुक्स गुड. स्मेल्स लाइक दे हैव रोस्टेड इट अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा. बट देन अगेन, आई एम नो मास्टर शेफ. द टेस्ट विल बी द जज. Yo, what the fuck? That's banging good, bro. This is insane. I love it. 200 ग्राम हलवा खाने के बाद इट्स नाउ टाइम टू गो फुल सेंड इट एट द जिम. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करने वाले. वी हैव जस्ट कम टू गेट अ गुड पंप. व्हाई डू आई फील लाइक आई हैव लॉस्ट सम साइज ऑन माई लेग्स? दे यूज्ड टू बी अ लॉट बिगर. एम आई ट्रिपिंग और इज इट ट्रू? आई डोंट नो मैन. I can see some shreds and vascularity on the quads, but a lot of size is gone. Maybe I've just lost the intramuscular fat which was making it look bigger. Guys, घर जाके कुर्ता पजामा में चेंज करना है, but first we'll play some cricket, okay? Watch the Shane Warne spin. आड़ो सही. Okay guys, this is the ball. Catch it. Today is not the day, guys. I'm a batsman. Bobbies, I am back home from the gym and my brother is here. He's already dressed up. खड़े हो, कुर्ता दिखाओ. Come on, give us a fit check. How's he looking, Bobbies? How's the drip? Peep the drip. Come try this halwa. So I already told my vlog that I ordered halwa today and it tastes insane. Now you give me your approval if you like it. How is it, boss?
Boss is crazy, boss.
It's crazy. मूंग दाल हलवा. क्या चीज़? सबको विश तो कर दो. हैप्पी दिवाली.
हैप्पी दिवाली बॉयज, हैप्पी दिवाली.
You didn't say हैप्पी दिवाली.
Happy Diwali.
मम्मी हैप्पी दिवाली बोल दो.
Happy Diwali, all of you, to my
sweet family. Happy Diwali to my sweet family. Love you.
मम्मी इन्फ्लुएंसर बन गई. हैप्पी दिवाली टू माय स्वीट फैमिली. लव यू.
This is the best chai you're ever going to have. जब चैट जीपीटी तब तो क्या करने का है. Life is all smooth.
चैट जीपीटी से सीख के चाय बनाई गाइस.
Gen Alpha.
जेन अल्फा.
Gen Alpha.
जय माता दी, जय माता दी. माता रानी ने बहुत अच्छे से संपन्न कराया. मेरे घर की सुख शांति माता रानी सदैव बनाए रखे. हम सबका धन्यवाद और आपका भी धन्यवाद. दर्शकों आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
घर पे पूजा खत्म करके अभी मैं आया हूँ MG रोड टू मीट शेफाली. हेलो.
Reached before me.
I reached before you. Where are you?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you only. Where are you?
Oh, I'm here only signal.
There she is. Hello. What is this gorgeous girl? Oh my god. Looking at you, music is playing in my head. What, we're matching also?
Yes.
Bobbies. Wows. Nice you look. Yeah, very nice you look.
To me.
She's not able to believe that I'm complimenting her. Why
Right.
do I?
Just like stop vlogging and say the truth.
You think I don't compliment you enough?
Want to try?
Do I want to what? Try your clothes on? Or,
No, do you want to drive?
or do I want to drive? Why did I think that she wants me to try her clothes on? Okay, I have taken the driver's seat. My lady, can you please hold the camera because I don't want to be vlogging and driving. I have been complimenting you non-stop.
Yeah, you also look very nice. Kurta selected by me, so credits to Shefali. But every face credits you can take.
I would have appreciated a compliment without me asking for it.
I saw pictures of you before you came, so I was just like, oh my god, he looks so nice.
Chalo, we'll do a fit check for you guys. We look like two ghosts on the footpath. But how are we looking, guys? Today she's wearing heels. That's why she's looking taller. She looks great. I look fine. I could look a little better if I was wearing a Nehru coat.
No, I think that's too much for Diwali. It's fine.
There's nothing like too much for Diwali, guys.
You look perfect.
Somebody recently commented on my vlog saying your girlfriend is a gold digger. She is using you for your money. Guys, just look at her, okay? Let her use me. Let her use me. She looks so good. If not her, who will use me? Look at my face. I want to be used, okay? Use me for my money. We look good, don't we, Bobbies? This is the fit for tonight. So for dinner today, Shefali and I are going to Burma. This is a vegetarian fine dining restaurant. Bro, they opened another vegetarian one, Street Stories. This is also pretty famous. Which one do you want to go to?
Burma.
Are you sure? Because Street Stories,
Yeah.
this is also pretty good.
No, Burma has great reviews.
So we've never been to Burma. Shefali has been asking for a vegetarian date for a long time, but I never took her because I'm like, yaar, vegetarian kaun khata hai? She wanted to go to this place for a long time.
Very long time.
Well, like at least a year she's been asking me. Not just me, she's asked her other friends also and nobody has taken
I've
her.
asked my parents also. My dad is also like, yeah, I'm not eating
Vegetarian.
outside.
Yeah, because this is not a cheap place, huh? It costs upwards of 700-800 rupees for a dish for veg food. Bobbies, the vibes are immaculate. This feels like Diwali.
Look at the lights, look at the vibes. It is perfect.
It is perfect, yes. This menu is very alienated to me because I see only vegan and vegetarian options. Honestly, you know what? I'm gonna ask my waitress to recommend something because it's my first time here. I'm not familiar with what's good, what's not. I need your help with ordering. It's my first time here. What do you suggest? Anything that's not fried. Is this tofu or tohu? What is tohu?
It's like paneer type made from chickpea flour.
Okay, made from chickpea. Okay, is that good?
Yeah, it's common.
Perfect. We'll do one chickpea tohu. What is a paratha?
It's a paratha.
Alright, it's a crispy paratha. Is this good? Do you recommend something from here?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, we'll do a pulled paratha as well. Bobbies, a lot of food has been ordered. My waitress said that you're over ordering and she stopped me. And I actually stopped
For once.
for the first time. And the reason being, I have eaten so much today. Before coming out, I ate whatever my dad made. He had made paneer butter masala, aloo gobi, paratha, ghee rice. That was for dinner. So I had a small bite of that. Insane food at home, okay? I could have skipped coming out today, but I came because I have to come to meet her. No, it's Diwali. One day you have to spend. Bobby's first round of food. This is tofu made with chickpea flour. High protein. The only source of protein today.
I have not eaten any protein in 3 days.
Tofu made with chickpeas. It's basically besan, but insane, man. What is that?
What is the softness?
It's basically like a chili paneer preparation, but with tofu. Tofu is made with soya. Tofu, as they call it, is made with chickpea flour, which is besan.
By the way, guys, this is a Burmese style restaurant.
Burmese.
Yeah, you know the country Myanmar, Burma, right?
Ah.
It's inspired from them.
This is the pulled paratha. See if there's a paratha type inside. Okay, it's basically shredded.
Okay.
Is the paratha is shredded? Bro, this is like. Have you guys ever had a triple Szechuan fried rice? It tastes like that.
I have no complaints. It's yummy.
Vegetarian food is criminally underrated. If it is done well, that is. Let's try the charred broccoli with smoked cheese. Right, so this is a cheese ball. I'm gonna try the cheese on its own. What cheese was this?
No clue.
We'll have to look at the menu. Oh. Get me the menu. I need to figure out what sauce this is. How the fuck can food taste so good? Huh. So it basically says charred broccoli and smoked Burmese cheese. That's a Burmese cheese. Okay. Served with tangy and spicy malar sauce. The other two items were so good that I forgot that even the paratha is also very good. My waitress said that you are over ordering. This is nothing. Itna to Shefali kha legi. How does this look like much to you, boss? Huh?
She doesn't know now that you're big man. Now we have to try dessert here, huh? There's
What?
no
No.
going.
I need more food.
No, I'm saying at the end
After.
of the meal, I'm not going home without dessert. It's Diwali.
You want dessert here only?
Yes, I'm not going to Milano.
Even though both her and I have been eating a lot of deep fried, high sugary foods for the last 3-4 days, our skin is actually fairly clean right now. And from tomorrow, I'm going to be back on my diet. I don't care if I gain like half a kg on this Diwali. I'm not going to cut back on calories to balance out what I've been doing for the last 3-4 days. I'm just going to go back to eating my 3000 calories instead of 4-5. And the weight should eventually wear off. Bobby's fried rice, which is an edamame fried rice with a curry, is here now. Shefali wanted just the fried rice, but I'm like, yo, Diwali hai. We are having rice with curry, not just rice on its own. So as per Shefali, the fried rice, not good, not bad, just different. Okay.
Interesting, right?
Very different.
Yeah.
Very, very different.
What did I say?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, boss. You are the best. You are the best.
Thanks. Some background music.
Just imagine if this fried rice had some egg in it.
Ooh, that would be nice. You know what? If we come here again, I'm really excited to see what else they have on the menu to taste.
I know that next time I come, one thing I'm not skipping is the tofu.
And the broccoli.
Broccoli, though, I can still consider skipping to try other items, but the tofu I'm not skipping. Honestly, the paratha also was so fucking good, bro.
By the way, if you walk into this restaurant on a weekend, it is very hard to get a table.
It is, okay? It's packed usually. Today also, inside it is fully packed. Just outdoor there's some seating and it's like a big place, okay? I'm sure that they can seat over 100 people, right? Bobby's, we've ordered a celebration cake for dessert. Celebration cake because we are celebrating Diwali, and it's a chocolate cake with raspberry ice cream. That's a big cake, bro. And that's a lot of ice cream as well. And look at that chocolate sauce. Can you smell the chocolate?
Yeah, I can.
Smells like hot choc.
It's giving me stress.
It's giving you stress?
Yeah, because it's a lot of cake.
Nobody in the history of the world has ever said it's a lot of cake, okay? You just own it and eat it.
That's a plate?
Oh, it's a cold plate.
Yeah, it's a cold plate.
Okay,
To
so-
keep the ice cream cold.
Oh, that's what it is. The chocolate cake by itself. Taste test. Good, soft, and moist. 3 things which are the hallmark of a good chocolate cake. Okay, that's a very big and heavy chocolate cake.
I'm done.
Like 4 people can eat that.
Half of that would be enough for us.
You know what my biggest achievement today is? I ate this entire meal without spilling anything on my kurta.
Oh god, you still have to eat 2 more bites.
Don't jinx it, guys. Don't jinx it, huh? No spilling on the kurta, please. Yeah, I'll eat like this now. The bill is here, Bobby's. What are we guessing? Chef, what are we guessing?
We are guessing 3.5k.
3.5k? Let me see.
Oh my god.
No surprise to me though. It's 4,170 rupees.
A normal day.
A normal day.
For me.
For you? Yeah. You want to pay? This can be my Diwali gift.
I gave you a Diwali gift.
What did you give me?
Where is my Diwali gift?
Give me my wallet. Yeah. Thank you.
Technically, your wallet was in my bag, so does that mean I paid?
Yeah. Just because my wallet was in your bag doesn't
Yeah.
mean you paid.
I took it out of my purse, so I paid the bill today.
Bro, I am a little too full because that dessert was very, very heavy. Right?
Huh. It was extremely heavy, bro.
Like, I'm glad I didn't order another serving of rice. I was about to get some rice to finish my curry, but I decided to skip on it because Shefali is like, no, you don't need it.
Always listen to Shefali.
She never lets me do what I want to do, but then again, at the end, it turns out to be the right decision.
Y'all also should listen to me, like he listened to me, and like our video.
So this was Diwali 2025. I hope you liked this vlog. Thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.